What's going on, you guys? My name is Brandon. Welcome to another episode of All Things Bearded, where today we'll be talking about the one and only Black Rebel Beard Co. Alright, you guys, so today we'll be talking about Black Rebel Beard, and first and foremost, if you like beard related content, this is a channel to be on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also last week we did hit 100 subscribers already, and I just want to say thank you very much to anybody who went ahead and had any part in that. If you hit the subscribe button already, just know that I greatly appreciate it. If you didn't, it's okay, we'll win you over eventually. But we will be talking about Black Rebel Beard Company today, and this is actually the season finale of season 1, and we will also be jumping into season 2, which is going to be called Scents of the Fall, and we will be talking about the fall scent from Black Rebel Beard, which is the Beetlejuice. So stay tuned for that. So I chose this company to be the season finale because I love the way that it has been rebranded. Pedro has done a fantastic job on just hitting the refresh button. The app, the website, the look of the bottles, the ingredients, everything is brand new in my opinion, and I love it. So let's go ahead and talk about this beard oil and what makes it so special from Black Rebel Beard Company, and it is the emu oil. This does derive from the emu bird, and if you can look past that, I highly suggest that you give this beard oil a try. Now, a 1 ounce beard oil from Black Rebel Beard will run you $25, but that is because of the emu oil. It is expensive to get, but Pedro does all he can to help you guys out, and he does give US shipping a free rate, which is excellent, as well as bonus bucks. So the more you buy, the more you can get back in return for your business with Black Rebel. Now, these beard oils will last at least 8 hours. You're going to get a long lasting scent out of them. Now, they are a thicker oil because of the emu oil and the other carrier oils, which we will go ahead and go over right now. Now, within all of these beard oils, the emu oil will be at a 75%, with the following carrier oils following out, and that will be the tamanu oil, the argan oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and the grapeseed oil. All of those wrapped together give you an outstanding blend, which I personally have found to be quite the enjoyment within my beard. Now, talking about the beard oil, I love the way these labels look. They are individually made for each scent, so they stand out. Wraps halfway around the bottle, so you do have the name of the beard oil as well as the ingredients, but it also shows that cloudiness that the emu oil does have, so it will always stand out when stacked up against anybody else that is on your beard shelf. And with all that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and get into the scent profiles. We have a ton to go through, and we're going to go ahead and just start off with the Iron Duke. And this one is a warm woodsy cologne scent, which is a description on the website, but it does it justice. You get the really warm, rich smell, but also that cologne on the back end is fantastic. This is probably one of my favorites from Black Rebel Beard Company. And my camera died, so if I've changed positions within this frame, I'm sorry. I had to tear everything down and redo it. It sucked, I hated it, but that's the way it goes. And we will go ahead and move on to the Hellcat from Black Rebel Beard Company. And with this one, it's a sporty cologne scent. It's like a Lacoste, if you've ever tried that. If you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, just know that it's a fresh, really clean scent of a cologne. It's perfect for a work day, perfect for a date night. Outstanding job on this one. The Hellcat from Black Rebel, I love it. So the next scent that we do have from Black Rebel will be the Rebel. See what I did there? And this one is a straight oud. It has the oud stank to it, but it also does have a back end of a woodsy scent. So it's not terribly complex, but it does smell fantastic, and I think it's an outstanding beard oil. If I had to wear it every day, I would be fine with it. There is no problems with the Rebel. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do next, and I'm just gonna pull from the front, and we're gonna do the Go Devil from Black Rebel. And this one is the leather and cedar, and they're pretty much split 50-50 as far as the scent profile. I don't really get one over the other, but they complement each other extremely well. I'm sure there's some other parts that are within this beard oil because Pedro likes to just sprinkle things in and out of it. Fantastic scent. I love the Go Devil, and it's another one that I could just be very content with wearing every day if I had to. And the next one that we have is going to be the Hooligan. And this one is the vanilla and the tobacco. And for this one, I get the vanilla first, and then I get a light sweet tobacco on the back end of it. It's outstanding as well. I love everything from Black Rebel. I'm not gonna complain really about anything that we have as far as the scent profile that comes from them. The Hooligan though is more on the sweet side, so if that's something that you do like, I would say check this one out. And so I've got two more on the regular lineup, and this one is the Escape. And I know fall is here, but if you want to go back to summertime, just go ahead and get the Escape, because this is a pina colada and grapefruit. That is exactly what is in this bottle. If you really do want to escape, like I said, back to the beach, back to summertime, the Escape is going to be your one-way ticket back. And so the last one that I do have on the regular lineup is going to be the Vagabond. And this one is the bay leaf and tobacco, and I get a really earthy, crisp, fresh scent off of it. I've never really smelt a tobacco one like this one, so it's kind of hard to explain, but it really does have a really just clean earthiness kind of scent to it, and for me, that's right up my alley. So the Vagabond is actually one of my go-tos from Black Rebel. And with that being said, season 1 is a wrap. I'm moving on to season 2, which I've titled Scents of the Fall, where I will be going over fall scents that are either limited editions or staples within beard companies that I think you need to check out for the fall season. With that being said, I'm gonna keep the ball rolling with Black Rebel Beard Company and with their scent that they are rolling out for October. It is within their subscription service or limited edition club, where you can go ahead and pay $25 and have it automatically shipped to your house, or for a one-time fee, you can pay $29.99 and go ahead and get it that way. These pre-orders do start on the 17th, and then the first week of the following month is when that month's scent profile will ship out. And with October coming, we have the fall scent of the Beetlejuice. Now for this scent profile, Pedro did not tell us at all what was in it. He just said that it had rotten apples, cemetery dirt, cat poo, and beetle guts, I believe. But I will tell you exactly what I smell out of this beard oil, and I personally am getting some Macintosh apples, some pears, some cinnamon, and I get clove, which for me personally just wraps around as a fall cologne scent. I've been savoring this for about a week, but now that fall's here, I'm gonna be out of it probably within a month. I'm gonna be heartbroken that I didn't get another bottle, so I might actually, as soon as I get done filming this, go ahead and order another bottle. When this does drop, if it is still for sale, I highly recommend that you go ahead and get it. It's an outstanding scent profile. You're gonna love it. It's going to be a must-have, and I know there's probably 30 more reviewers out there that are talking about this scent as well, and they should be, because it is simply fantastic. And also within the Beetlejuice for the limited scent, I have the beard butter. This does come in a 2-ounce plastic container. I use this beard butter in the morning and at night. In the morning, I just use it for a light hold, a little bit of styling, but at nighttime, the nourishment that I get out of that beard butter is fantastic. It's a little bit silky. There's not any grit to it, which I do like. The only thing that I do wish would change within the beard butter is just have something maybe on the side, so when I do stack my beard butters on the shelves, I don't have to down stack everything just to see what I'm pulling out. That's the only thing that I have within Black Rebel, period. Everything else within this company is fantastic, spot on, highly praised, can't say enough about it. You really need to check it out, especially check out the Beetlejuice. If it's still for sale when you see this video, go grab it. So if you have tried Black Rebel Company, let me know in the comment section below what your favorite scent was. There is a ton you can choose from. There is the originals, there is the rebrand, there is the scent of the month. Sky's the limit. Just let me know what you loved from Black Rebel Beard Company. And with that being said, today's episode is over. I will see you in episode 2 of season 2. I hope you have a great week, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.